Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will be talking about how to properly use contact lenses. If you're new to wearing contact lenses, it's completely normal to feel a bit confused, but don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through the proper way to insert your lenses, how to take care of them, and how to keep your eyes comfortable while using them. The first step is very simple. Before handling your contact lenses, make sure you wash your hands thoroughly. This will help protect your lenses from any dirt, oil, or bacteria.
Wash your hands with soap and water, and then dry them with a clean,
lint-free towel. Now, take your contact lens out of its case and carefully inspect it. Make sure the lens is clean, clear, and free from any dirt or damage. If it's not positioned correctly, for example, if it's inside out, make sure you turn it the right way round. Next, with your dominant hand, place the contact lens carefully on the tip of your finger. Ensure that the lens isn't curled or sticking to your finger. Now, use your non-dominant hand to pull up your upper eyelid and down your lower eyelid. This will create more space for the lens to easily slide it. Now, place the lens on the white part of your eye and slowly blink a few times to help the lens settle into place. At first, you may feel a little discomfort, but once the lens is in place, it should feel comfortable. Now, repeat the same process for the other eye. Be sure to put the right lens in your right eye and the left lens in your left eye to avoid mixing them up. After wearing your contact lenses,
it's important to take proper care of them. Always remove your lenses before going to bed, and store them in a clean case with fresh contact lens solution to avoid any infections. Here are some important tips. Always wash your hands before handling your contact lenses. If you have long nails, be extra careful while handling the lenses. Keep the lens case clean and never use expired solution. Don't wear your contact lenses for longer than recommended. If you feel discomfort or irritation, remove your lenses and consult an eye doctor. Different types of contact lenses. There are different types of contact lenses: soft contact lenses, hard contact lenses, and permeable contact lenses. Each type of lens has its own benefits and advantages. So, how was the process of wearing contact lenses? With a little practice, you'll be able to put them on easily. Follow this guide and regularly consult your eye doctor. Remember, contact lenses are medical devices, so always use them properly and keep them clean. Take care of your eyes and enjoy clear vision every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. For more tips,
make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.